Good morning. I am Athurva Khandle. This is Amal Subedar and this is Chinmay Rane. The topic of our project for the Atal Innovation Marathon is spec-based monitoring and evaluation system of agriculture for marginal tribal farmers. CINI, or the Central India Initiative, is an initiative started by the Tata Trust to find various solutions to the various problems faced by the farmers of Central India. And CINI plans to implement its Mission 2020 Lakpati Kisan to bring various farmers, almost 1 lakh farmers, out of poverty. And it also plans to develop 17 blocks which would serve as regional boosts for the farmers and which would help them in irreversibly getting them out of poverty. We propose to use IoT-based technology for data collection and monitoring and evaluation of the various steps in this process. We also plan to use blockchain technology for its traceability, transparency, and for assessing the quality control of various steps in this process. To get a first-hand understanding of the various problems faced by the farmers, we met the tribal community farmers at Limkheda near Dahod in Gujarat.
For the success of any tribal community, there are two inputs required. The first and the foremost is the water. Since the villagers did not have access to the water because the river here is low-lying and the village is placed above it, so CINI has implemented a lift irrigation system in many places in Dahod. In the lift irrigation system, water is pumped from the river to the highest point near the farms. Then with the help of gravity, the water is given to the distribution outlets. We are helping the farmers to record the amount of water used with the help of water sensors. The second important input is good quality seeds. There are two ways in which the seeds can be procured. The first is the federation can directly collaborate with the companies to buy their seeds, and the second is the federation has now started to train their own farmers to produce their own seeds. We are helping the farmers to barcode the seed so that all the necessary information can be recorded online for better monitoring and evaluation.
Further, the farmers place a demand to the Federation office. These farmers then use these seeds to grow seedlings and saplings into the trays which are barcoded by us. Then these farmers take these seedlings and saplings and plant it in the farmland. We are helping the farmers by installing moisture sensor and pH level sensor so that we can regulate the amount of fertilizers in it. This regulation can increase the production. We can also install motion sensor for better production of the field.
Once the produce is ready, it is sent to the federation. In the federation, the seed is tagged and it can be used for various steps. It can be processed in the village itself or it can be directly sold to the consumer. Seeds are tagged using various technologies such as RFID or barcode. We think our solution is innovative because of the following design principles. It is non-localized, it has got unparalleled security, it is perfectly auditable, it has got guaranteed integrity and traceability.
Thank you.